Hi friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a name or a sentence to the sides of the planner like you see here or below the template. And you can also add your shop name, your personal name or any other kind of sentence there. And these kinds of texts here are called footers. You can activate a footer on the text panel and I'll quickly show you how. So let's say you have an empty template and you now would like to add the footer. What you will have to do is click on the text menu and then open the footer menu, and then here on the sides select both pages to add a footer to both pages, and then under show footer activate it. And now you can either apply a footer to the sides or below. So this menu down here below will edit the footer on the ring side. So if you want to add a text here to the rings, you can type in the name or your shop name or any kind of sentence. For example, I will type in my name, Jennifer. And if you want to add a footer down here below, you would type the name in this upper field here. But if you don't want to add a name or a footer below, you just would delete whatever is written here in the text field. If you completely want to remove the footer, you can also deactivate it up here like this. Then to select the font, click here on footer font, and this will pull you up the font selection. And then from here you can select a new font and it will apply it into the footer like this. You can also make it bigger or smaller up here. So for example, you can set it to 15. That is a good size, or you can make it smaller as well. And then you can also change the color by clicking on this color dot here. And then you can also select a new color, or you can have it set to black on default. So this was how you can add a footer or how you can add your name to your templates and personalize it. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!